Hi, this is my review for the OWTXIS eyewear glasses. I use reading glasses every day, so I was looking forward to trying these out. So I haven't opened them. This is how they look like inside the packaging. So these are power of 2.5. So I need pretty strong glasses. So there's three that come together. So they're in these little small packages. And it also has the little to clean the little towelette to clean the glasses. I'm not sure what it's called. It's like a little wipe. So yeah, so we have this. So let's try some on. So we have one of these. Take it out. So it's cool. So they come in this little packaging. We can open them up. So it has also a little keychain you can use. So it has a little zipper. Unzip it. Whoops, and there they go. So they come like this, small. So that's nice. Yeah, and then they fold open like this. So like this is my unboxing, so I have not used these before. Interesting. So they're small. Oh, okay, cool. So then this comes out. Seems like it comes out like this. Yeah. So this comes out like this. This one comes out like this. They're not too. They don't feel too sturdy. Like they feel a little flimsy, but they're nice. The look is nice. Kind of small. So and that's what they look like that. So they would look like that. They don't look they don't look too bad. Yeah. So I think the glare is from because it has the plastic on it. Yeah, I think there's a plastic. Oh no, no, it's just a little. Yeah, just the word. Yeah. So there's a little bit of a glare, but it looks good. It's clean. Yeah. I mean, the only thing I would have preferred is this. Just this is kind of like sticking out. So I would usually they're kind of like on the frame, but it's not too bad. So yeah, so that's what they look like. That's what they look like on me. So yeah, so hope you check them out and hope the review is helpful.